friends of Dolce Vitaville. It's sunset time here at Tolu Cay. We're watching the sunset go down with Captain Jay, who's working on a fish thing, and Captain Francie, who is at the ready and was the helmsman and the skipper all day. A marvelous thing. Lisi was first mate, and we met some guys fishing over there, came up to see us. They didn't catch any fish. But now is the time for the sunset. The tradition in the Bahamas is at the moment of the sunset, people blow their conch horns and hoot and,
we will
clap their hands or
the traditional group hoot.
Group hoot.
In honor of Lily.
They clap their hands or paws or anything they've got. And at that moment, please join us in a group hoot. I'm thinking, what do you say, Elise?
I think it's time.
It's time. Lord.
Yay! Thank you for joining us, and that more to follow. And I'll show you dinner when it's ready.